Hi everyone, I'm Srinivas, working as a lecturer in Government Polytechnic Siddipet. Today's our topic is Pentium 3. Features of Pentium 3. Pentium 3 is released in the year 1999 and consists of 9.5 million transistors. It is made up of 9.5 million transistors. The higher clock version of Pentium 3 consists of 28 million transistors. Maximum higher version of Pentium 3 consists of 28 million transistors. As usual, Pentium 2 here, Pentium 3 is also same. Pentium 3 is a 32-bit processor with 64-bit data bus and 36-bit address bus and up to 64 gigabytes of physical memory space. So as usual, it is same as Pentium 2. It supports 32-bit processor, 64-bit data bus, 36-bit address bus and address up to 64 gigabytes of physical memory space. It is available with maximum internal clock rating of 500 megahertz to 1 gigahertz, and it is available in IC form as 370 pin in PGA, pin grid array package. Pentium 3 is an advanced version of Pentium 2. One more important improvement was there, which is MMX technology and processor serial number. Each and every processor is given a serial number for identification process. The multimedia extension technology was introduced. Here, as I said, process serial number in Pentium 3 is support concept of identification. So each and every processor is identified by using identification number. That was a major change was there comparing to Pentium 2. We'll see the features of Pentium 3 processor. Here it is a dynamic execution micro architecture was introduced. This Pentium 3 processor is compatible with the previous microprocessor as well, and it consists of integrated high performance 16 KB instructional cache and 16 KB data non-blocking level 1 cache. Okay, level 1 cache is there, 16 KB. Then 256 bytes data bus provided extremely high throughput on read and store operations. 256 bit cache data bus provides extremely high throughput on read store operation. Here 8-way cache associative provides cache hit rate on read store operation. Okay, for cache hit rate and miss rate, for that here 8-way cache is provided. Error correction code for system bus data was introduced. Data prefetch logic is there, and internet streaming, as we said, MMS technology, internet streaming single instruction multiple data extension for enhanced video, sound and 3D performance, where this is best MMX technology multimedia extension like enhanced video, sound and 3D performance was introduced. Here system management mode and multiple low power state was there. Here flip chip pin grid array FC PGA. Here flip chip pin grid array packing technology, which offers improved handling, protection and socket availability. Here this is one more feature. And as I said, Intel each and every processor is given a serial number for identification processor purpose. That is the main features of Pentium 3. We'll see Pentium 4 in brief. Pentium 4 processor was released in the year 2000, and whereas Pentium 3 was released in 1999, and a lot of difference is there, and nothing but it consists of 42 million transistors, where Pentium 3 is having 9.5 million transistors. A drastic development was there. It was available with maximum internal clock rating of 1.4 gigahertz to 2.8 gigahertz, and it is here also great improvement comparing to the previous processor. Here Pentium 4 processor with HT hyper threading technology was released in the year 2002 and consists of 55 million transistors, and this hyper threading technology consists of 55 million transistors, and it is available maximum internal clock ratings of 2 gigahertz, 4 gigahertz to 3.3 gigahertz. It is available in 478 pin IC pin grid array package. Okay, so we'll see the features of Pentium 4 processor. Hyper threading technology. Next, hyper pipeline technology which support advanced dynamic execution. Pipeline technology, hyper pipeline technology was introduced. It supports for advanced dynamic execution and very deep out of order execution, and rapid execution engine that makes ALU to run at twice the processor core frequency. This execution unit or execution engine makes the processor or ALU runs as twice the processor core frequency. Seems twice it will work than the normal frequency, and system bus at 400, 533, 800 megahertz was provided. Application running on previous members of Intel processors, and one more important point is 8 KB level 1 data cache is there, and here execution trace level 1 execution trace cache stores 12 kilo or nothing but 12,000 micro operations. Nothing but the main theme here, micro ops means micro operations are decoded and stored in execution trace cache with 12,000 entries, so that means we can decode it very very fast. So 12,000 entries will be there in the level 1 cache. Okay, and error correcting codes was there. Thank you. In description section I am providing the material of the class, so please go through it. Thank you.